Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, as we all are aware, we have to save weight and space when we're using our touring caravans. So today I'm going to be talking about a product that will save space, it will also save weight, and it's a very versatile piece of kit. So stay tuned. So today we're going to be looking at the 3-in-1 watering can system from Colapz. So let's have a look what we get inside the box. Okay, so straight out of the box we have the container vessel itself. Now, what I like about this is the actual filler and flower and elbow are actually contained within the actual vessel itself, which I think is a really good feature. You also get an instruction guide, and it is actually held together with this elasticated piece here. So let's just undo it. To form the container, you twist and pull. So that's the initial setup, and to close it you twist again and push down, and then you can use the elasticated piece that comes with it to keep it closed. So let's take a look at the 3-in-1 Colapz watering can in a bit more detail. It's actually made of a very durable UPVC plastic. It has a carrying handle which has a nylon rope threaded through the plastic. Now, at the moment it's as a watering can, but you can remove the rose off the top and you can use it as a pouring device. Now, if you would like to remove this as well and replace it with this, it becomes a bucket. Now, there is another accessory available, and that is a tap for here. So you can turn this into a water dispensing device. But one of the key features I do like about it is the fact that you can store all the accessories that come with this bucket actually inside the base here. Now, it has 5 rubberized feet which raise it off the ground and give it more stability, but also protect the accessories while they're being stored. So new for 2020 is this flexible filler tube, and it's got a hard plastic end which reduces the flow of the water when you're using it for pouring. Now, this will be available on the Colapz website as we speak, and you can order it from there. I will leave a link to Colapz's website in the description. So let's take a look at how we would use this. So as you can see there, we've got our tube ready to go, and we're going to place this inside the filler, and there we go. No splashes and no mess. You don't have to lift the bucket up too high in order to do this. So there we have the Colapz 3-in-1 watering can, water dispenser and bucket. I think it's a very good product. It's very simple in its design, but yet it's very durable. It's very versatile. It saves a lot of weight and it saves a lot of space. An all-round really good piece of kit. I like the new filler tube that they've brought out for 2020. It does make filling the toilet cistern a lot easier for me, and I'm sure it would for you. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you join us again soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.